Online store, how to make money online, e-commerce courses. Introduction. Welcome to this comprehensive lesson on how to create and manage a thriving online store. 1. Choosing your niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and market demand. A well-defined niche helps you target a specific audience and stand out in a crowded market. 2. Market research and competitor analysis. Thoroughly research your target market, including demographics, preferences, and buying behaviors. Section 2. Setting up your online store. 3. Selecting an e-commerce platform. Choose a suitable e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, or Magento. 4. Domain name and hosting. Register a domain name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Choose a reliable hosting provider that ensures your website's speed and stability. 5. Designing your store. Create an appealing and user-friendly website design using customizable templates. Ensure your design aligns with your brand's identity. Section 3. Adding products and inventory management. 6. Sourcing products. Decide whether you'll create your products, source from wholesalers, or use dropshipping. Ensure your products meet quality standards and offer value to your customers. 7. Product listings and descriptions. Write compelling product descriptions, include high-quality images, and provide accurate details. 8. Pricing strategy. Determine your pricing strategy, considering factors like product cost, competitors' prices, and desired profit margins. Be transparent about pricing and any additional costs. Section 4. Launching and marketing your store. 9. Pre-launch marketing. Generate buzz before your launch by creating a countdown, teaser content, and engaging with potential customers on social media. 10. Social media and content marketing. Utilize social media platforms and create valuable content to promote your products, engage your audience, and build brand awareness. 11. Email marketing. Build an email list and send targeted campaigns to drive sales, announce promotions, and keep customers informed about new arrivals. Section 5. Providing a seamless shopping experience. 12. User experience and navigation. Optimize your website's user interface and navigation for a smooth and intuitive shopping journey. Ensure mobile responsiveness for customers on various devices. 13. Secure checkout and payment options. Offer a secure and user-friendly checkout process. Provide a variety of payment options, including credit/debit cards, PayPal, and other trusted methods. Section 6. Analytics and growth. 14. Tracking performance. Use e-commerce analytics tools to monitor sales, conversion rates, website traffic, and other key metrics. Analyze data to identify trends and areas for improvement. 15. Customer feedback and improvements. Encourage customer reviews and feedback to gain insights into their experiences. Use this information to enhance your products and services. Section 7. Scaling your online store. 16. Expansion and diversification. As your business grows, consider expanding your product range, exploring new markets, or offering complementary products to your existing line. 17. Customer loyalty and retention. Implement customer loyalty programs, discounts, and personalized offers to keep existing customers engaged and encourage repeat purchases. With dedication and the right strategies, your online store has the potential to become a profitable and fulfilling venture.